If you are a sports fan and absolutely love trivia, you're absolutely going to love this book. This is the Champion Sports Trivia book. Really, really like this a lot. It has 12 different chapters and it is packed with fun facts. You have trivia, you have true false questions, you have 250 fun facts, you have 350 trivia questions. So how this works is you'll see here. So we're going to go right over here. So you'll have a story right over here. So we'll cover a little story, a little highlights of a athlete's career, some of their big accomplishments, and then right after that story, we have the quiz section. So now it's going to be multiple choice questions based on what you just read. If you wanted to really test your knowledge, you could just jump right to the quiz section, and then you're going to have true or false questions right over here, followed by the who am I questions, and then you just keep going, and then there's a lightning round over here, and right after that you have your answer key. Really, really unique book. Never really seen anything like this. You absolutely love this if you are a sports fan or you know someone who is a sports fan and loves trivia. This would make a great gift. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the author for sending this over so I could do this review.